What up, weebs? I just bought every pair of the Naruto Crocs. Yeah, I think I have a problem. Today we'll go over every pair and we'll even rank them. These don't drop until June 6th, so if you want to get some for yourself, make sure you check out the links below. Keep in mind, I may get a small commission from that, so thank you for supporting. Can we talk about how sick these boxes look? You have the different nations here. On the front of the box, Naruto with the orange clouds. They didn't have to do that, it's just a nice touch. Let's get into it. So in 4th place, we got the Jiraiyas. Red headband here and his forehead protector that says oil. That's like a brushed metal. And on foot, these all feel pretty comfy. Pretty much go true to size with these. The upper is actually Jiraiya's gi, and the chainmail's on there too. The inside is white, and that leads to a couple issues that we'll talk about. And the back strap is actually a different shade of red. Check that out. I'm not really feeling the regular mode on these, but this is what it looks like. Bunch of paint mistakes here. Paint mistake right there. That's pretty obvious and annoying. On to the gibbets. This one's dope. It's his summoning scroll for the toads. On to this one. It is his really uncomfortable looking sandals. What are those? Over here, it's a Shikishi style art of Jiraiya and Gamabunta, I think. Each one of these also comes with a shuriken. This one is color matched. And here is a chibi Jiraiya with a slightly different colored outline. They come off, by the way. So here's that chainmail. Gibbets on or gibbets off? So a pretty good collab, just some paint issues which you don't expect at this price. I'm gonna take heat for this next one, but Sasuke's in 3rd place. Do y'all remember how cold he was at the beginning of Shippuden? It was the first time we saw him in that new outfit. This colorway is called Midnight Blue, and I'm pretty sure that's talking about the midsole because the upper is straight purple, which is based off of his wrap. You can see the mineral blue coming through these holes a little bit, but check this out. This is Sasuke's rope belt, also called an obi. It actually looks like a different shade of pink than the purple in the anime. It's not actually tied, it's just held in place. Can you imagine like running in these joints? Ropes flopping everywhere. Unfortunately, there are some issues. The inner and upper are different colors, so there are some mistakes. Now the strap is a slightly different shade. Since there is no headband, these actually look alright. I mean, check them out. Gibbet time. Starting on this side, it's a chibi Sasuke, more cartoony look going on there with the purple outline. Then the artwork, it's Sasuke looking back at it. Look back at it. Kind of boring rectangle shape with the gray outline. On to the next. 3 more gibbets on this one, starting with this fidget spinner. I mean shuriken. And I mean Sasuke was pretty dangerous with these. Okay, and on this side, it's the Uchiha fan, the clan symbol, purple outline, and the Eternal Mangekyo Sharingan. This one kind of looks a little different, but it actually reminds me of the anime. Like when those fillers were over and we finally got to see his eyes. And gibbetless, these look pretty clean actually, if you can pull them off. The paint issues are just holding them back. My 2nd place pick are the Minatos. If y'all are enjoying yourselves, make sure you sub. If you're a weeb, I unbox all kinds of anime goodies. Y'all check out the Hokage flames there on the upper. This colorway is called Stucco. It's closer to white than it is sail. Shiny white midsole with the green lining representing the flak jackets. The strap on these is a lighter blue representing, I think, his pants. And over here you see a shout out to the Uzumaki clan. Nice little detail there. I don't know, maybe I'm biased. The headband is clean. That forehead protector is actually different than the ones from Wave 1. And side by side the Kakashis are way shinier. I'm not a fan of the look with the straps up. I think it just kind of looks weird with the strap and headband there. But let's peep the gibbets, starting with his signature kunai from the Flying Thunder God technique. That is cool to see. Then a chibi version of the 4th Hokage. Just giving a wink there, he's got a gray outline on that one. On to the next, there is the shuriken again. And this thing, which is on the back of his jacket, actually, it says the 4th Hokage. Finally, another artwork of Minato himself. I actually have this card and I unboxed these on the channel if you guys want to check that out. It's just a dope artwork and it's cool to see that they're on the Crocs as well. Taking the gibbets off on this one, and these look fire. These look Hokage. It's close between these and the Sasukes. I think the Minatos are slightly better. It's no surprise that the Itachis are my favorite. I already reviewed these on the channel if you want the full in-depth breakdown. Missing Nin forehead protector there on that headband. This colorway is called Nightfall, and that navy kind of throws me off a little bit. That midsole is a little too shiny. Matte black would have been nice on these. Quick look with the straps up. Just an iconic design with those red Akatsuki clouds. His crow there with the Sharingan. Itachi's Mangekyo. This chibi Itachi is cool too with the crows there. A little unique. And big surprise, shuriken as well. Hey, I'm just a big fan of the design. So let's recap. We got the Jiraiyas, the Sasukes, the Minatos, and the Itachis. But what about Wave 1? Well, I would put the Narutos closer to the bottom of the list. They were nice, but they only came in kid sizes. The orange on black did have some issues as well, but the straps were nice, not gonna lie. The Kakashis I would put right after the Itachis. They're just so good. The colorway on these is on point, and check out those pouches at the back as well. It's just a super unique design. They're definitely up there. I just think the Itachis edged them out just by a little bit. But what do y'all think? Is your ranking the same? Which one of these is your favorite pair? Hey, if you had a good time, make sure you leave a like below, watch this video next, and sub if you're a weeb. Peace!